Tina. Tina, that's too much. I think you need to go on a diet. This is getting out of hand. Where are you going now? Looking for food? Look at you, Tina. Look at you. Look at your bag. You going poo-poo? You going poo-poo? You going poo-poo? What are you doing? You hungry? Hmm? You're gonna be fasting for today. Stop crying. You're gonna fast, okay? 24 hours fasting. No crying, just water. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. And you believe in me. No. You're looking for food. Poor little girl. Poor little girl. I give you some food. That belly hurt. My belly hurt. It's not food. Big Tina.